So, floating things in Dune Awakening. Let's see how you actually make objects that float in your base. As you can see, I've got quite a few of these. I quite like this technique. It adds a little bit of interest for your design. So first I'm going to go over here and find a nice spare edge I can work from. I've got my construction tool. I'm going to make a couple more of these. So you need to use the Harko set, that's what I'm using. Go to the roof section and build yourself a rounded piece. Now you want to pick this shape. It doesn't matter which order you build these in. And you make yourself a set of 4. And that then gives you space here to put a rounded section of wall in. So I'll select this guy. And I'm going to put the rest of the little circle in here, so we've got a full set. It doesn't have to be, you can actually just leave it as it is, or you can see over there I built some which are just curved sections that are on their own. And now, this is the important bit, you come back here and you have to demolish these pieces in the right order. So with my construction tool on demolish, I need to take out the sides, then this one, then this one. I now have an object floating in space. Now the important thing is that you mustn't demolish this piece. This piece is somehow cyclically connected, so if you want to disguise the fact that you've done this, then you might want to build another roof section next to it that is also rounded, for instance. It looks like a bit of a feature. But if you demolish this piece here, I'll show you what happens. So that piece actually is required. But you can see where I built these before, there are little curved sections which were originally used to enable those pieces to float. Now if you see other people who are doing this, you'll notice that as well. You see that's how they've done it. They've got little curved sections that are sitting there, like this one, which are maintaining that one in position. Okay, I hope that's been helpful in teaching you how to make floating objects in Dune Awakening. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.